Hi guys, welcome back to Josephine's Story Time. Today we are going to be making pancakes. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. You need a bowl, a huge bowl, measuring cups, spoon, another measuring cup, butter, milk, vanilla, flour, syrup. So first, we do this. There we go. Oh my, I'm sorry.
Now we need to melt some butter.
So we're gonna put that up this right here, that last one.
It's 2 cups.
Okay. I'm gonna have that. Oh, it's not even melted. Wait, this is my favorite part. When there's like a mountain, I always go around it to make it look like water. Like a mountain.
Like a moat.
Yeah. Or that's what I always like to do.
Good fun fact, these are actually going to be vegan.
Because my family's vegan.
What?
Except me.
Vegan pancakes.
I'm vegetarian.
So the milk is actually
Almond milk.
almond milk. And the butter is vegan butter.
I haven't knew that was
And there's no eggs.
Alright, let me go get the butter. That is a liquid. It's what it looks like. It
Here
looks
comes the magic. It wasn't very magical.
like satisfying.
Yes. There we go. Stir, 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 stir.
This is gonna be our next ingredient. So you want to do vanilla? You take the cap off, pour it into the cap very carefully.
Nope, that wasn't very careful, Josephine. It'll be extra vanilla-y. Is that a word?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Huh.
Look what it looks like. Then it all comes back. What if you're mixing, and you're on the phone, not even paying attention? So you don't even know it's not even there, just like no!
Put in your secret ingredients.
Secret ingredient.
Oh my gosh. Only your fans are going to know what ingredients you use. What are they?
Cinnamon and nutmeg. This is nutmeg. Okay, down to the like, put it in the middle. Put it in the middle. Da, 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 da. Okay. Well, it sounds like horses. Whoa! Whoa! That looks actually really cool.
Alright, Josephine, hold the camera. You're going to put the camera in it?
Yeah.
Or, almost there. Hopefully this works. So we've never actually used this?
Hey, wait, what if we do a test and put a little bit in it, and then we see if it pours out?
That's a great idea.
Let's just do like a little bit.
Good.
Don't want to waste it all. That's good. Okay, we're back. This thing did not work. It's my favorite
Let's
part.
cook some pancakes.
So it's like, okay.
Cook pancakes? Make pancakes?
Put it on a hot place. Always have an adult with you. You don't want to get burned. Bobby!
Make a couple at a time here. Make many sizes you want.
Well, it looks so weird looking at the camera. Looks like you made 2 for 6 pancakes.
We're gonna let them cook. Once they start bubbling, we're gonna flip them with our fancy spatula.
Not that fancy.
No, not fancy. Sorry, Josephine.
Okay. I'm going to try to flip one, and I'm actually really scared. I've never done this before.
That was aggressive. That was aggressive.
I'm sorry, I'm scared.
Okay. Gentle. Boom. Perfect.
That was my best
Perfect.
one.
Oh, we need more. Oh my. Josephine's going for it here.
I'm making a one that's called chocolate chalk.
Please remember to taste test
That's called chocolate chalk.
your Hershey Kisses before you put them.
These are not Hershey Kisses.
What are these called?
Chocolate chips!
Nah, same thing. It's like Hershey Kisses, don't they?
Guys,
Boom.
look at the chocolate chalk. I called it M&M's.
Bang!
Bad rule.
Okay.
I did not do
That's one
that.
way to do it. Almost.
Oh, that looks so cool. Sing a song. Wow, 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 wow.
This is Josephine's baking song.
What? I just made it up.
Yeah.
I made it up now. I am so lucky to be a YouTuber. Perfecto.
Hey.
This is going to be perfecto.
These are bigger. Yeah.
That sounds satisfying. Oh, what else time? Shit.
Oh my gosh.
No,
Josephine, you did it!
oh my, I'm eating that one. I made that one with my 2 hands and legs. These are for cookies. We made it up. I'll sing a song.
Get off. Okay.
We want to see it. Oh my!
Wow, look at all the chocolate chips.
I don't even know what I called it.
Look at that stack of pancakes. Time it is now?
Eating time?
Yes.
We made my pancakes! And we had an incident when I was flipping it, it got all over, and this one, that side, there's like nothing there.
Just remember to always turn your stoves off after you're done making your pancakes. Alright, let's try these things. They look delicious. I want the one with all the chocolate chips.
Hey, that was mine.
This is Josephine's. I'm going to take this one.
First thing, I'm grabbing a knife.
Ugh.
Every time you use a knife, make sure you have a dough with you so you don't get cut.
Good tip. Put some elf syrup on here.
Oh yeah, at Christmas our elf gave this to us. It was probably like a gift. He drank all of our syrup.
Yeah.
And pour some syrup on mine. Okay, that was a lot.
That's a lot of syrup right there, folks.
My testicle.
Let me try.
That good, Bobby?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's good stuff. These pancakes are delicious. Josephine's eating them down. We're gonna go enjoy the rest of this stack. We hope you guys enjoyed our video.
Make sure to like and subscribe.